Halloween haunt has been a tradition at Kings Island for as long as I can remember. During the daytime, it's for kids and families, and at nighttime, it takes on a bit of a darker tone, a more scary feeling. Today, I'd like to show you an attraction that's been here since the park opened in 1971. I'm talking about the railroad. It's hidden in the back of the park and winds its way through two different roller coasters, and in the summer months, it will take you to or from the water park. Diamondback is a very tall steel roller coaster with a very steep first drop, while Mystic Timbers is a more traditional wooden roller coaster. I was lucky enough to catch this man's attention. Dean has been working with this train for the past 7 years, and he not only operates it, but he is also partially responsible for some of the maintenance. This train may look like it's from the 19th century, but it was actually brand new when the park opened in 1971, and it's been here ever since.
How many do you have here? Two?
Yeah, they've been here 50 years, you know.
Oh wow, since the park opened?
Yeah, that's what they're at in front too. Pony wheels, the two drive wheels. The air compressor tank there. The brakes on air pressure, you know. There's a wheel from that's what drives the drive wheels.
What are those little glass? They look like they check the levels of something.
They're just drip oilers. They constantly keep that bar oil.
Oh, okay.
They keep oil on there. They manufacture. Yeah, they just keep that bar oil so it don't get dry, you know?
Yeah.
The water tank to the right of the tracks is not just set decoration. It's fully functional, and Dean explained to me that every 2 hours, about 200 gallons of water need to be added to the boiler of this steam engine, just to keep it going.
It's like 20 gas grills in there running to keep it hot, you know.
Oh, that's so cool.
50 degrees on that steam pipe. And
350, wow. You're around a 350 degree steam pipe?
You're burning in the heartbeat, man.
Yeah, 350.
We call it a tattoo. If you touch it, your train catches it.
While the tender is filled with split wood, this locomotive actually boils its water and creates steam by burning propane.
Thank you for letting me do this.
No problem, buddy.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Kings Island and Miami Valley Railroad. For your safety, please remain seated throughout the entire ride, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the car at all times. To your right, you will see Mystic Timbers. Close to the moment. Moment Southwest Patrol can enter right now.
When they're not in use, the park's 2 locomotives are parked here in this shed.
Is green engine number 19 taking a nightly full-length complete stop, and we'll let you guys know when it's safe to exit. Also, just a reminder that Planet Snoopy and the train do close at 8 p.m.
This is actually our second time around the track today. They let my wife and I stay on 2 times because it's not very crowded and there were plenty of open seats. But right now it's time to say goodbye to the workers of the Kings Island and Miami Valley Railroad, and I especially want to thank Dean, the engineer who gave us a tour of the locomotive. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop.